St. Andrews is a very special place to me and to my family. My wife graduated from St. Andrews in 1980, and all three of my children graduated from St. Andrews. The opportunity to be a teacher here and to be an administrator on staff has been a wonderful experience for me. It's a very special place because of primarily the students. They're all wonderful kids, very intelligent, eager. Also the faculty are what make it a special place. There's a feeling of community and a sense of community and togetherness that you don't find everywhere.
I've been at St. Andrews for 6 years now. I like the kind environment here. I think that the teachers are very supportive and all the kids here have an understanding about what you've been through, or the students understand you, and I think that everyone is very kind to each other here.
I've been here since second grade. Whenever there's new students, they always bring them in under their wing, and just the amount of compassion. The teachers are just great. They're all nice. They always make the lessons they provide really fun.